We have another graph. Our job is to build an equation. For our linear functions, this guy is a good friend. Y equals mx plus b. We call this slope-intercept form. Now, our job when we fill in this equation is to find m, the slope, and b, the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where we start on the y-axis. The slope we normally call our rise over run. So I start off by looking on my y-axis. I cross here at 3, meaning I know my b value is going to be 3. There's b. Now my job is to find the slope. I'm looking for rise over run. In order to do this, I need to find another point on my line. So I look, kind of looks like there, but I believe the point is actually right here at 2 comma negative 2. So from here, let's count. I rose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to my next point, and I went to the left 2. So I rose 5, my top number is a positive 5, and my run is to the left, which is the negative direction, so is a negative 2. Get that underline out of there. We have our equation, y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 3. However, looking at the multiple choice, none of these seem to be our answer. As a matter of fact, we don't have any fractions in this answer. What that's hinting at us is that we need to get rid of our fraction. We're going to do this similarly to how we did it before. We need to get rid of this negative 2 in the denominator by multiplying everything by a 2. So I'm going to multiply everything, all of it, everything by 2. 2 times y is a smooth 2y, baby. The 2 that we are multiplying cancels out the 2 that is dividing in the bottom of the fraction. They go away. The negative does not, so our answer is now negative 5x. And then finally we do 2 times 3. 2 times 3 gives us a 6. It was positive before, it stays positive now. All right, we've at least gotten rid of our fraction. The next thing I notice about my answer choices is that both y and x are on the same side of the equal sign. In order to make my equation look like these, I need to move my x onto the other side with y. In order to get rid of a negative 5x, I'm going to add 5x. What we do to one side of the equal sign? Yeah, you got it. Now, 2y and 5x are not like terms. We cannot combine them together. So when we write them, they'll be next to each other. And again, looking at my multiple choice options, it looks like I should write my y first because it comes first. So I'll write 2y plus 5x's equals 6. And that looks like it's option C.